Guys.
Oh my gosh. Guys. I'll be right back. I have to go pee.
Okay. Go pee. Guys, this is creepy. I don't know what's in these woods. Or why they're here. But guys, we're gonna have your help figuring out what is in these woods.
Guys, it sounds like it's getting closer. I'll take that. Guys, it sounds like it's getting closer. We have to leave. Holy crap, guys, it's getting way closer. Guys, it's way closer. Holy crap, I think we're lost. We're literally lost. Booty cracks.
Look right here.
It's like right over there. Ouch. Well, actually, we're lost. What's that? Guys, there's the bad kid. Oh crap. Ay. Oh crap. Stanza. Wait, stop. Come here. Guys, I don't know where we're going. No idea. Guys, it's a trail.
Firewood. No, actually.
Okay, come on. Firewood chopped. Guys, I have a feeling something went bad.
No, TP.
Guys, we found good news. I gotta stop. We have to. Oh my god. We found where we are, but I've never seen this part of the woods.
Yeah.
Guys, I can't. It's getting closer, I promise you that. Oh my gosh, guys. Look at this. Guys, look at this trail. Cinder block. There's cinder blocks. Guys, oh my butts. This is like something out of a horror movie. We're going back. That's like a horror movie right there. Guys, the sound is silent. That's a bad idea. That's bad. That's bad. That's very bad. Ay. Holy crap. We know where we are now. Stop.
We can't be a baby.
Guys, this is insane.
Oliver.
What is in here?
Oliver.
What?
Say we go that way.
Here.
Where in the world are we?
I think I know where I am. Guys, we just need to get out of here. Yeah, we know where we are now. Sorry if we have like 3 IQ, but this is scary.
We might record a part 3. So stay tuned.
Sometime, but next video is gonna be a gaming video. So
Till then.
we found our way back. This was terrible. It was scary, but I hope you guys appreciate us doing this, so you guys don't have to go into scary woods that are 300 acres where we hear big bangs on trees with a hammer and stuff chasing. Come on, and stuff like that. I hope you will like and subscribe to our channel. But later today there will be a gaming video. Hope you guys like and subscribe. Peace out.